Psychologists estimate that we have 60,000 thoughts a day. That's about a thought a second. Everything I say, everything I do, everything I feel and experience and create in my work and in my life first begins in a thought. The only thing that I am 100% accountable for and responsible for is what's going on inside of my head. What are you creating with your thoughts? What could you create with your thoughts? I'm Mary Lohr, and I'm a thought leader. I have taught thousands of individuals and organizations, key influencers and thought leaders from around the world, how to manage their thoughts, how to develop their self-awareness, how to think differently, think powerfully, and achieve profound change in their highest vision of themselves. When Michelangelo was asked how he came to carve the beautiful statue of David, he said, "I saw the vision of David in the marble, and I carved and carved until I set him free." And that's what happens when we manage our thoughts. We let go of those thoughts that are working against us. It's like chipping away at that marble. And we reclaim our peace of mind. We have access to our highest awareness. And we set ourselves free. We set ourselves free as individuals and organizations. We reconnect with our strengths and what inspires us. We reignite our creativity, our passion, our purpose. We set ourselves free to be our highest vision of ourselves. I invite you to attend one of my workshops. These go beyond positive thinking. These are game-changing. These are life-changing. My book has received the highest honors in 6 different categories: in business motivation, leadership, communication skills, philosophical thought, self-help, and enlightenment and inspiration. I share this with you to convey that what we are learning applies to absolutely everything in our work and in our lives. Please follow the links to learn about the workshop nearest you and register. Managing thought is the best gift that we give to ourselves, to everyone that we live, work, and play with, and through the ripple effect, to our communities, to our organizations, and to the world. I look forward to seeing you and teaching you the managing thought process, sharing practical tools that you can put to use immediately to unleash the incredible power of your 60,000 thoughts and achieve your highest vision every day.